It's simple yet reliable for developing strength. The push-up is thought of as a staple to efficient exercise regimens. Sticking with doing push-ups daily can be a fantastic method to improve your physical fitness level without needing to use any workout devices, spend for a gym subscription. Are you thinking about discovering a few of the many reasons why you should incorporate push-ups into your day-to-day regimen? It's all about correct form to take advantage of every push-up. It is necessary to focus on maintaining proper form. Get into plank position. Keep your arms directly to prevent locking the elbows. Your palms ought to be flat on the flooring and your wrists, elbows, and shoulders ought to be lined up. Engage your core so that your back does not sag downward. The goal is to maintain a straight spine from your neck to your hips. Bend your elbows to 90 degrees in a slow and regulated movement. When you do a push-up, you work numerous muscles at the same time. Chest muscles, shoulders, triceps, biceps, upper back muscles. The nice aspect of push-ups is that they come with numerous variations. You can customize how you do your push-ups to match your current fitness level and make them more challenging as you get stronger. Decline push-ups. Have your feet elevated on a workout bench while keeping your hands on the floor. Diamond push-ups. Place your hands close together under your chest, with the thumbs and index fingers touching. Clap push-ups. Press yourself off the floor and clap your hands before you return down. Push-ups don't just enhance muscles, they can also help to develop your body's encouraging structures. For example, due to the fact that push-ups involve movement at the elbows and shoulders, regular push-ups will assist to enhance those joints with time. Push-ups can also assist to get your heart rate up. While primarily a method to construct muscular strength, push-ups can also assist to support your cardiovascular health. If you're looking to lose some weight, working out to increase muscle mass throughout your body will help to support a faster metabolism that will help your body burn through more calories. As an exercise that helps to build strength and get your heart rate up, push-ups can definitely assist you to burn calories and fat as you pursue slimming down. If you spend a great deal of time sitting, your posture might be taking a serious toll. The push-up is one workout that will engage your back muscles and assist you to develop a strong, stable core to maintain a straight posture. Your workout regimen should supply advantages beyond simply helping you look slimmer and more toned. We desire your workouts to enhance the way you feel, move, and function on an everyday basis. The push-up is a powerful and thorough bodyweight workout that offers lots of apparent advantages. You can do it anywhere, anytime, and utilize it to build a more powerful, much healthier body.